Tesla didn't influence its holdings of Bitcoin in the third quarter. After dumping 75% of its assets in the second quarter, the electric vehicle firm had no purchases or sales of Bitcoin throughout the quarter. Welcome to CryptoLink channel. If you love getting news and updates about cryptocurrency, join our community by subscribing to our channel. You can tap the bell icon to never miss our new videos. If you enjoy our channel, kindly like and share it with your friends. October 22, 2022. CoinDesk posted a tweet indicating Tesla held onto its hashtag Bitcoin in the third quarter, with no new buys. It's a stark contrast to the second quarter where the electric car company sold off 75% of its holdings. Tesla, a manufacturer of electric vehicles, said in its most recent earnings report released on Wednesday that it neither bought any extra Bitcoin during the third quarter nor sold any of its existing Bitcoin holdings. Its digital assets continue to have a $218 million worth, exactly the same as they were at the second quarter's end, when Tesla stunned several investors by offering Bitcoin for $936 million, or almost 75% of its entire shares, to raise funds. Bitcoin's price, which was just under $20,000 at the completion of the second and third quarters, prevented Tesla from recording any impairment charges towards the value of the company's assets. The deal was made due to the unpredictability of China's COVID lockdowns, according to CEO Elon Musk, who also discussed the company's second quarter revenue call. However, it was said that Tesla is willing to increase its involvement to Bitcoin in the future, as well as the transaction should not be viewed as some conclusion on Bitcoin. Initially, the news caused a 1.7% decline in the Bitcoin price. However, after Musk's comments on the call, the price quickly recovered its losses. Tesla had $1.26 billion in Bitcoin at the end of the past 3 quarters, but only $218 million at the end of the second. According to the firm, it sold its holdings for a profit of $64 million in the second quarter, which was reduced by $170 million in Bitcoin impairment charges on the remaining Bitcoin, generating a net expense of $106 million on its statement of profit and loss. Bitcoin's value increased after Tesla stated in February 2021 that it had bought Bitcoin for $1.5 billion. Later in the first quarter, the corporation sold a 10% portion of its holdings in Bitcoin, increasing its gains by $272 million. Up until the second quarter of this year, it has not purchased or sold any further Bitcoin. For the whole third quarter, Tesla posted adjusted profits per share of $1.05, exceeding the $1 average analyst projection according to FactSet, on profits of $21.45 billion, falling short of the $21.98 billion prediction. In Wednesday's after-hours trade, Tesla's shares were down little more than 4% at $212.83. On the same date, October 22, 2022, a tweet from CoinDesk stated, "The race is on. Spain overtook hashtag Bitcoin-friendly El Salvador in total hashtag crypto ATM installations." Spain is the third largest nation in the world in terms of the amount of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin ATMs, behind Canada and the United States. El Salvador, which has 212 cryptocurrency ATMs, has fallen to fourth place as Spain, which presently has 215 crypto ATMs, has surpassed it by 3 crypto ATMs. Spain is confirmed to account for 0.6% of all crypto ATM installations worldwide, according to data from CoinATM Radar. Furthermore, the information reveals that Spain is the top contributor to cryptocurrency ATM setups in Europe, accounting for 14.65% of all installations on the continent. Switzerland is next with 144 ATMs, followed by Poland with 142 ATMs, and Romania with 135 ATMs. Spain alone put in 43 cryptocurrency ATMs in 2022 and has previously stated that it plans to put in a total of more than 100 by the year's end, bringing the total to about 300 when everything is said and done. The initiative to deploy cryptocurrency ATMs in Germany, Austria, Spain, and Greece is being led by MediaMarkt, a German electronics shop, and Confinity, among many others. In contrast, since September 2022, there has been a decline in the number of cryptocurrency ATM installations worldwide, however this is now improving slowly. Approximately 7 cryptocurrency ATMs are being installed each day worldwide, according to calculations based on information from the previous 60 days. Greece ranks 6th in terms of Bitcoin ATMs, and due to the increase in tourism, Bitcoin ATM provider Bcash released details on usage trends in the nation. Despite placing cryptocurrency ATMs in popular tourist locations, managing director and co-founder of Bcash, Dimitrios Tsangalides, confirmed to Cointelegraph that the majority of utilization comes from the city's central business district. However, as Tsangalides explains, the island of Crete draws a highly devoted Bitcoin crowd. The city of Heraklion, Crete, where one of our ATMs is located, has a thriving cryptocurrency community. Tsangalides claims that a delay in normal traffic to cryptocurrency ATMs is the result of a convergence of the cryptocurrency winter and the tourist seasons. On October 24, 2022, Cointelegraph tweeted, South Korean financial watchdog wants to monitor crypto whale accounts to prevent any money laundering efforts using digital assets. The Financial Service Commission, or FSC, the financial watchdog in South Korea, will keep an eye on cryptocurrency whales with holdings exceeding 100 million won or $70,000 to stop attempts at laundering money through digital assets. The FSC warned that the risk of money laundering increases as the percentage of digital assets and stablecoins increases. According to the new anti-money laundering regulations, additional attention should be paid to monitoring cryptocurrency whales who have substantial holdings of digital assets and stablecoins. The report also highlighted the role that stablecoins play in money laundering and indicated that stablecoins, particularly those that are widely accepted by users, are more likely to be utilized for criminal purposes. It says in the report that it is likely that a digital asset that has been independently listed does not satisfy the listing requirements of other digital asset operators, and it is feasible to determine that virtual asset operators who own a significant share of the digital asset run a significant risk of money laundering. In addition to keeping an eye on cryptocurrency whales and their actions, the report promoted monitoring retail clients who make substantial deposits. Customers who often trade in cryptocurrency should have their holdings periodically checked for any significant changes. Customers with significant digital asset holdings are more likely to engage in money laundering. Particularly in the aftermath of the Terra Luna's crash, South Korea is renowned for its tough enforcement of crypto-related rules. The financial regulators are working harder than ever to secure investors and implement crypto legislation by the beginning of 2024. The chairman of the FSC stated in August of this year that the regulator intended to accelerate the evaluation of 13 bills pertaining to digital assets that were being debated in the National Assembly of the nation. The goal of the evaluation was to establish institutional supplements which would balance market stability, protection of investors, and blockchain development. That's it for our today's video. So, what can you say about the news? Let us know about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for tuning in to CryptoLink. We are always excited to provide you with news and updates about cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please click the like button. See you on the next one.